My video guide is about getting rid of the malicious pop-ups that are coming from the website dokukemida.com. These pop-ups are extremely dangerous and truly deceptive. They may display fake alerts that try to force people into downloading and installing some unwanted browser extensions, either for Google Chrome or for some other browsers. Some other versions of these pop-ups by dokukemida.com try to make people click on a special allow button to make users subscribe to the intrusive push notifications. Anyway, if you see these pop-ups by dokukemida.com, do not ever interact with them. Do not install anything that these pop-ups ever suggest, and don't click on any buttons that they have got. So, be very careful. Such pop-ups, by the way, could be the consequence of some adware enabled in the system. We recommend you to leave this page, and also we recommend that you carefully research it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get its latest version on the official page combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and then after the program is successfully installed, start researching the system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.